Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and it's your girl Ilo Dubai Ogedi. We're going practical. I love practicals a lot. I love what I can do and not what I know. Yes, it's translating it that is the most important, and that is what we are diving into right now. So calm down. Before I go into it, let's talk about accounting as a whole. Accounting is very broad, from taxation to auditing to financial reporting and others. They are very, very deep and broad, but we can't know it all. You can't be a tax guru, financial reporting guru, audit guru, and all of that. Just pick an aspect you're most interested in. From the previous video, Rosemary Walker and Davidson said something. Pick a course you're most interested in, or an aspect or a skill that you're most passionate about. Build it, and that is your strength. Just like most of the people that has gotten to the top, most of them have a particular area they are most passionate about, and that is what they held on to, built, and then brought them to where they are right now. Likewise, all of you, you must pick a course you're most interested in. Back then in school, management accounting costing is enough for me. I must be honest. I read just to pass, nothing more, and I'm okay with it. So right now, let's go to the main topic, which is payroll management. Accounting, there are some basic things everybody out there as an accountant should know. There's no big deal about it. I'm going to break it down. So guys, let's talk about payroll management in full. What is payroll management? It's simply keeping track of the employee's financial record. We're going to demonstrate this using an Excel spreadsheet for you to have a clear understanding of it from the scratch to the end. And trust me, you have to pay attention to every penny, to every financial detail of the employee, so that you won't have to pay at the end. I know most times they will say accountants are stingy. It's not our fault, it's the profession. You have to ensure accurate records of everything. Make sure every penny is accounted for. Yes. So we'll be looking at an Excel sheet to have a clearer understanding. So guys, this is our Excel sheet. We'll be starting with the serial number, first name, last name, basic salary, housing allowance, transport allowance. There's many allowance from meals, wardrobe, and lot more. So if the organization you work in have, then you can create a column for that. The total of this will give us our gross salary. Then move over to the deduction, pension. Virtually all the organizations remit this every month, which is 8% of the employee, basic housing and transport, and 10% from the employer, a total of 18% mandatory. So we'll talk about it in a new video. Payee as well, we'll talk about this. As an employee, you must pay your tax, so this is it. Then we have a loan. If a staff to take loan advancement, this is where you deduct it from. Ensure you record it. Then total deduction, and then our next page is what you're going home with. So work with 5 employees. First name will manufacture names here. So this is it. Would equally assume figures here. For the apportionment or allocation of basic housing and transport, there is no policy on it, on the ratio to use. You can use 50, 25, 25, or 60, 20, 20, as the case may be. Just use your professional judgment to do that. Our gross salary is the addition of D, E, and F. So sum of these three will give us our gross salary. And please ensure you know the basics of Excel. Irrespective of the software your organization use, make sure you know the basics. Yeah. Inflation is usually 8% of your basic housing and transport for the employee, while the employer pays 10%, making it a total of 18% to be deducted every month and remitted. So for the pay, just assume you treat this separately. This is equally broad. Loan, let's assume Ada took a loan of 100,000 to be paid 5,000 every month. So deduct it for this particular month. Let's assume Doris took as well, she's paid 20,000 every month. So our total deduction is summation of H, I, and J. Our net pay is the gross salary minus our total deduction. That is our net pay. So this is what you're going home, every employee is taking home. And don't forget your currency, very important. So if, as we are Nigerians, we use Naira sign, so we would have to insert that. We must. We equally need some total of this. We are true per se, just we're trying to arrange our work to make it look more presentable. Don't forget the name of the organization here and the months of it. Prepared by who? So guys, this is it. Once you're through it, submit, ensure you file it, have a file for the employees. So guys, this is it. How's it guys? Please let me know what you think in the comment section. I love that and I will appreciate it a lot. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button please. Thank you.